Here's what you can do in order to customize home screen on the Google Pixel 10 Pro. First, we're going to start with home settings. You can press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen in order to reveal these options. Over here, we can quickly change the wallpaper in the home screen to something different over here. We have quick access to previously used wallpapers. You can also just jump to wallpaper and style, but we're going to start with the home settings over here. And as you can see, we can, for example, find the At a Glance widget, which is over here, this one. And besides that, we can, for example, prevent apps to be added to the home screen once we install them, so new apps won't be automatically added to the home screen. We can also toggle the Google News page that we have in the home screen, and some other stuff like, for example, suggestions, and so on and so forth. We can also toggle the landscape mode. Besides that, we can manage apps over here. So if you want to change the position of an app or something, you can press and hold your finger on the app, and then once you see these options, you can start dragging an app around. You can move it all the way to the left and right in order to change the page, of course. And there we go. You can, of course, add apps as well. So if you go to the list of apps or the app drawer, you can press and hold your finger over here as well. And then once again, once you see these options, you can start moving around in order to be redirected to the home screen. You can place your app pretty much anywhere. Besides that, if you want to remove an app from the home screen, then you can just press and hold your finger on the app, and if you start moving it, over here we have the remove option. So drop over here in order to remove an app from the home screen. We can also create folders in the home screen, so if you want to group your apps in a folder, then you can press and hold your finger on the first app that should be added into the folder, and then drop it on top of another app. And there we go, we have created a folder with 2 apps. Of course, you can keep adding apps to the same folder if you want to, and there we go. We can tap on the folder in order to edit the name over here, so you can set up the name of the folder over here, and that is pretty much it. The rest is pretty much the same. Unfortunately, in the case of folders, we don't have much customization options. We can only change the name of the folder. We also have widgets like these over here. If you want to add your own widget, what you can do is press and hold your finger on an empty space again, and then we have widgets. You should be able to find some example widgets over here in this place, but you can also find a list of apps that also have widgets. So for example, I can go to this app over here, maybe a different one actually. Let's say we're gonna choose translate option over here, and now we have some example widgets. We can press and hold our finger in order to select the widget, and then we can drop it pretty much anywhere. So let's say I'm gonna drop it over here in this place. In some cases, we can also change the size of a widget by grabbing by these circles. However, in some cases, these resizing options are limited, and in some other cases, widgets cannot be resized. And if you want to remove a widget, you just have to do the same thing that you do with apps. Just press and hold and then drag on to the remove section. And furthermore, for example, if you dropped the app into the home screen, if you later on decided to resize it or something, you can press and hold your finger on the widget and drop it back into its place, and then you can once again see these circles. And of course, pages. We have home screen pages. If you want to create a new home screen page, you just have to move something into that page or add something into that page. And there we go, a new page has been created. On the other hand, if you want to remove a home screen page, then you have to manually get rid of everything that you have on that page. So for example, if you have apps, folders, widgets, then you have to either move them to a different page or just remove these items from the home screen. And that is pretty much everything that we can do in the home screen. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.